Hey guys, it's one up here, and today I'm going to show you part 2 of Arma 3 Editor, and we're going to be talking about modules and placing modules. So here's my character here. I'm going to tell him to face this way, and so we're going to set up a Zeus module so I can go on Zeus. And if you don't know what Zeus is, I will be making a video on that. I don't know if I said that before, but I will. So we're going to go to modules. It's the three little squares. It's F7. It's modules. So you're going to double click anywhere on the map. It doesn't really matter. We're going to just double click right here. Now it's going to pop up a HUD. Basically, the category is everything you can select from to your module, which is in that category. So you're going to go all the way down to Zeus. Click that. Then Game Master's already set up. You want to make sure you're clicked Game Master. All these other ones are different ones, but I preferably don't mess with those. Just go straight to Game Master. If you have mods or add-ons on, all official ones. If they're not official, you can include unofficial ones too, just in case you get messed up. But we're just going to do all official add-ons. We're going to keep that disabled, and we're going to click OK. It's going to pop up here as a little eyeball. It's going to say Game Master. So we're going to drag that close to my guy. Now to activate Zeus, you can't just put it in there and then get Zeus. You actually have to go to F5 or synchronize. It's a little chain. You're gonna click. You don't have to double click. You're gonna click your rifleman or your guy. Drag. You see this line? You're gonna drag it to the game master. Let go. Pops up a blue line. That means you're connected. So if I went to preview, it's gonna take a second. Okay, we're here. Press Y, and I'm in Zeus. There's my character there. And you can basically set everything up, set a couple guys down, control them. Yeah, I'll make a video about that anyway. We're gonna exit out of this. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. I'm gonna just cut that out. So that's how you use Zeus and how you make a Zeus module. You can also do other things with modules that are very simple and make the game experience more fun. So you're gonna double click, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to, let's see, what was it again? I think it was, oh, that's a different thing I was talking about. Well, let's say you want to create a task for you and your guys. So basically, you're going to go to Intel. On Intel, it says create a task. Now, first, don't do anything. We're going to do set task state. It's on the very bottom. And we're going to set it as created. You're going to click OK. Sometimes they'll like the group up. Just click the groups or F2. Click that and drag out, and then they won't be grouped. Drag it up here, place it there. Next thing we're going to place, let's go back to, oh, wrong module. Go here. We're going to go to create a task. Now, here's where we can mess with everything. We're going to do owners, groups, blue for, op for, all playable units, sides of synchronous, like all the stuff you can do. So we're just going to do blue for, set task ID. Usually if it's a moving, I just say move. Title, I'm going to say move to this position. Description, and marker. We don't have a marker on, but that's okay. We can have module position, and we're going to say assigned. That means right when you spawn in the game, it's right there. Now, we're going to leave these groups. Actually, no, we're not going to leave them grouped. I'll do different on that. So basically, when you go to preview, hopefully this works. Yep, see? Press J and it says move here. Move to this pause. It's right there, 41 meters. Run to it. And yeah, that's how you make a task. It's pretty simple. You could do anything you want with the task and stuff like that. So we're going to leave the mission. Okay. Now you got that. We're going to exit out of that. Let's go back to modules and place some more. You can go to environment, place the weather, skip time, time acceleration, or post process. You go to effects, smoke grenade spawns out, cam light, plankton, tracers, a lot of cool things. Audio, you can play a radio message. It doesn't actually play as a radio. Well, it does actually. You say reinforcements en route. You're leaving the area of operation. Time is running out. Stop the enemy. All that kind of stuff. You can put it to everybody or stuff like that. So really, you can mess around like objectives, end game, race. It's pretty fun. End game. Okay, I got confused about this when I first started out. End game does not mean it's the end of your game. It's actually uh it's actually a group made it and it's called Endgame and it's like a tournament style game. So Endgame objective, time limit. Sorry, that was my dog. Hold on. Sorry guys, that was my dog. Um put pick up objects, stuff like that. I'm still gonna mess with this and I'll tell you how to do it. You could do instant like there's so much cool stuff you could do. Races, scenario flow and scenario countdown, bleed tickets, respawn tickets, zone protection. It's really cool. These are like little things that let you play the game. Okay, so basically, that's basically much with modules. Some of it can go with each other, but another thing I'll also show you guys, since I did just make a short video and you hear my dog bark, you're going to go up to here and you're going to click Intel. This shows everything you start out. You could do the name of the game, the description, the date you start off as, the time you start. Overcast, you can make it really foggy. I have so much fog. Rain, usually you could just click manual auto. So auto means it just goes on randomly. Strength, gust, like gusts of wind, time change, so you can make it a little bit faster. You can make independents or friendly to nobody, blue for, op for, everybody, anything you want. So I'll just do everybody. So they're kind of just like that. Then you can go to debug console. It shows everything that's being worked on right now. Time. This more of coding. Functions viewer. This tells you all the codes and how you can do them. So I'm still getting into some of this, but you can have like animations, add score, and it will tell you what to do. Stuff like that. Add class, author, Joris Jan Van T Lan. That's funny. Description, register a class for 00 scripting shell. Like there's so much stuff, and these are like little helping guides that let you do whatever. Respawn position, respawn inventory, really cool stuff. If you guys want to get in depth with that, you guys mess with it. It's just the functions viewer. The config viewer is everything that's working right now. Really, nothing's on. It's kind of cool. You can make player respawn. I think you can actually. What is it? I guess you can't. But like, I think these are already made for you, and you can just drag them into your configure file and see have everything in here. It's pretty cool. Say close, and then yeah, it's actually really cool. Map of Atlas. So that's the modules. I'll create a real other fast one after I make this one, and I'll upload two today. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hope you enjoyed.